Hi, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I am Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And I made a Dollar Tree run today because I watched the Deal Guy on YouTube.
Hey, wait, we don't give free promotion.
And he always tells me what to buy at Aldi's, at the Dollar General,
and
at
at
the Dollar
Walmart,
Tree,
and
at
on
Walmart,
Amazon,
and everywhere.
Yes,
So
except for Costco. We
and
don't have a Costco.
So anywho, what I found was these little wagon wheels here that I'm going to decorate with fake flowers and make wall hangings out of, and maybe hopefully sell them and make some money, use up some of my crafts, yes. And then I got my assistant a little
just for
foldable,
me.
yes, so Shorty can reach the top
shelf,
the top shelf in the closet.
Hey, I'm 5'5". I'm not short.
Well, that gives you another foot right there because it's 12 inches
I already have
tall.
2 feet.
Well, that gives you another foot.
It's just what I've always wanted.
As tall as like 6 foot longs in a row. 6 foot longs. All right, and then I found this, and I think this is a deal because I think I pay a lot more at Walmart. These were $3 at the Dollar Tree.
Why do we need the styrofoam?
For the cats. That's what I feed the cats their cat food on. And I know it's wasteful, but it's a lot easier.
I thought we were environmentalists.
Yes, but it's a lot easier to pick them up and throw away than cleaning nasty cat food dishes, bowls, whatever. That's one of the luxuries that I allow myself is to throw away cat food.
Here's a cat.
Plates.
Power.
So then I got some scouring pads.
Power.
For the turtles, so I can clean the turtle tank properly, scrubbing on the inside. Well,
there went power.
Yes. And then I found...
OMG, so Christian 4.
And then I found these here. I got 2 of them, one for you and one for me. They're 16 fixed compartment storage boxes.
Why did I need this?
You can use them for belts, socks, scarves, and more. You can put your socks in there, you roll them up and stick them in there, and then your socks will be sorted.
I don't need to.
Well, one's for me and one's for you.
What?
Well, if you ain't gonna use it, then I'll keep it.
Let me think about it.
And then to decorate our deck in the front, a little welcome bicycle from the Dollar Tree.
Yes.
And also for decorating the deck, a little Nomi with a belly. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Yes.
And then this is for the porch in the back. A little decoration for the porch. As soon as we get some decent warm weather, we're in some kind of a winter again. I don't know if it's the blackberry winter or it's the red
blackberry,
or
like the phone.
I think it's the red bud winter that we're in right now. I don't know.
Red Bull.
Red bud.
Oh, I thought you said Red Bull.
Right now. And I thought we could make a little wreath out of that.
Yes.
Don't tear it up now. Oh, and then...
I'm not concerned for my hand.
No.
What?
I think I went a little overboard on this.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, we seen these at TJ Maxx the other day.
No, we seen them at Ollie's.
Well, Ollie's. How much were they? Weren't they like $5?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are $1.25.
Damn.
And I think it was pretty much the same thing, but I know they were a lot higher at Ollie's. And of course, we have to get some different colors. And then there's
Yes,
a purple one.
oh yes, purple.
And,
Paint it purple and you'll buy
yes.
it.
And then of course I had to get a couple more of each. So
Oh
we
my
have
goodness.
a total of 6.
Yeah, I think you might have went just a tad bit
Yeah,
overboard.
but I think they're cool. And
Yes, they're cool until I step on them.
you ain't gonna step on them.
I might accidentally.
So
Or
anyways,
intentionally.
this is all I bought at the Dollar Tree. That wasn't bad. It was $30 and like $31 and a penny. So
Yeah, the $1.25 tree.
yeah, but then now they also have higher priced items like
See,
$3 and
it's becoming a
$5.
damn Five Below.
Yeah, but Five Below has even higher stuff than $5. So
Then they
they're not
need to
even...
rename it 10 Below.
I know, right? Well, anyways, give us a like,
thumbs up, subscribe,
and
comment below. Yes.
Until next time.
Auf Wiedersehen, arrivederci, au revoir, alles gut, au revoir, adios. Bye.